Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Family Dollar All-Purpose Pine Cleaner. Cleans, cuts grease, and deodorizes. Leaves a light, fresh scent. And all these house brand pine cleaners have disappeared that I can tell. I haven't seen any since the event of a couple years ago. All this stuff seemed to vanish after that. Don't know if it'll ever come back. I hope it does. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Nice, simple, to the point. Water, pine oil, solvent, soap, and dye. Don't know how much pine oil, but yeah, it's got it, it claims. Have to do some research on this stuff, but I had all the house brands at one time and used them up. Didn't know what was going to be happening, or I would have saved some of them. Well, anyway, let's get to mopping. First we'll do the cloud cam, see if this stuff clouds up any. I don't think it does, but I can't ever remember. There's so many of them that I've used. We'll do the standard cap full plus maybe a little bit more. Well, we're clouding up all right. That's pretty nice. Got a good scent. We'll get set back up over here. Okay, let's take a look at that. That's some healthy clouds. That's good stuff. Now let's mop. I'll go over it twice, as usual. Get the old mop soaked up pretty good with product. And then wring it out. I think there's some old wax in the grout, why it looks kind of odd like that when it's dry. May need to get some stripper in there and really clean this floor deep. And here's the second try. Smells good with that steaming hot water. Those vapors are really coming out. And we're mopped. Few splashes there. Take care of that. Looks like it was up for the task. A little bit darker than it was when I started. So we got some dirt picked up. Once again, Family Dollar All-Purpose Pine Cleaner. Thank you for watching.